Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix borrow option not showing in Cash App. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, if borrow option not available in Cash App, first of all you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. So you have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for the app, and just simply you have to update the app if it's asking to update. Just simply update the app, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once yes guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on your profile and just simply you have to go to sport option. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on something else. Now from here guys, just simply you have to tap on cash cards. Now scroll it down. From here you have to tap on contact sport. Now from here you have to tap on not about a transaction. Now tap on chat. Now let me tell you that you have to tell them that borrow feature is not showing for you guys. Okay guys, so tell them that you have fulfilled all of the conditions that one can get the borrow, and still borrow feature is not showing for you. Okay guys, or you can also search for this by tapping on here, tap on borrow. So let me show you here guys, it's not showing for me. If it's not showing for you guys, then it's mean it's showing here no result found. If it's showing for you guys, just simply you have to search here and you can get borrow feature here. Okay guys, and tap on that and you can get borrow from Cash App. Okay guys, and if it's not showing for you guys, just simply you have to contact with them and tell them that borrow feature is not showing for you, that you have an updated app and you have also a good credit score, or you are using Cash App more frequently, or you have active cash card and still borrow feature is not showing, and hopefully after that you can get the borrow feature. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.